Everyone, this is Esteban Tavera, and this is my tutorial for week 9 for Python. So let's begin. For this week, I decided to do a small list of ages for siblings. As you guys see over here, we have our list, which is 10, 22, 21, 13, and 17. So the first thing that we do is we print out the list with the ages, and after that, we have the amount of siblings. So our program will count the amount of people that we have, and then we sorting out our program, which is youngest to oldest, and then we're reversing our program, which is oldest to youngest. So let's run it, and there you go. Same numbers, 10, 22, 21, 13, 17. And then we have 5 siblings, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then youngest to oldest, 10, 13, 17, 21, 22. Oldest to youngest, 22, 21, 17, 13, and 10. Thank you guys for watching.